Hey guys, in this video you will see me ink and finish my drawing of Madara Uchiha. I am already 50% done now, so I just need to ink it, and also I will be telling you and showing you how to draw this awesome character. Let's do it. So I recommend beginning with his hair, because number one, it's easy, and number two, 90% of his head is covered of hair. So may as well just start off the hair. Now, if you're having trouble drawing his hair, understand this, people. His hair is no different from Goku in his Super Saiyan 3 form or Sonic the Hedgehog. So when you approach your drawing, know that his hair is just huge chunks or spikes. Nothing else, no detail, nothing. Nada. So, there. Now, you know. Yeah. Dow. So remember, no details. Now back to the drawing. Beep. Now I begin with his facial features, which is his Voldemort nose. You will notice how I stroke my pen in a certain way. This is so it will look better than me just creating two thick lines as his nose. Trust me, it would. I then move to what makes Madara epic, his Rinnegan. Now make sure you put time and effort on his eye, because it is the sole reason why Madara is such an awesome character, and it is also going to be the reason why your drawing would look so epic when you're finished. I then move on to his other facial features such as his eyebrows, the cracks on his face, etc. Now in this part, I want you to listen. The technique I'm performing makes your work turn from okay/amateur to gangster. Now, I don't know the actual name of this technique, but I call it line shading. It's easy to use and gives your work such an improvement. So I recommend using this technique on all of your drawings you create in the future. Now here I work on the speech bubble, and you may notice it is blank. Well, the reason why it's blank is because I forgot what he said. Yeah, I know, fail of the year, and I should be fed to a fire-breathing dragon. But hey, at least I didn't write something like Coney 2012 or You Only Live Once, YOLO. Right? Okay, I'll be quiet now. Now here, I really need you to listen, because this will help you in the future. Make sure the directions of the lines you do as you're shading make sense and are understandable. Here I did the lines in a way I should have not done it, and because I done it, I made Mario look like he has a mustache. I know, I should get a wedgie, I know. Even I'm disappointed in myself. Fail of the year. Just look at it. Look at it. What did I do? God, just strike me now. I'm ready. Now I'll work on the background. Lego. That was let's go for in slang, if you didn't know. Yeah, I'll be quiet now. Now that I've finished inking, I now need to begin coloring his hair. And I'm done. Woohoo! Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and comment, and also subscribe, because I will be doing this every week. Next week, I'm going to be drawing Naruto QB mode. So make sure to be back next week. Or subscribe so the video will be sent to you straight to your sub box. Anyways guys, see you next time. Bye.